I am joined by TikTok Queen, one of our panelists today at Content Creations Workshop created by Zynergy Point Limited. Now, she is the lovely Azziad Nasenya. And I just have a couple of questions for you on why you decided to even just join us today and give us your insights, talk to us. What do you think this means even for your industry?
Content creation needs to be professionalized, and there is a lot of things that I know that someone else does not know, and there's a lot of things that someone else does not know that I know, and there's a lot of things that someone else knows that I do not know. And I feel with content creation, or as content creators, it is good to come together, share those ideas, share what is working for you, what can help another creator who's starting, what can help someone else who's been in the industry for a while, because things keep on evolving over time, things keep on changing, and as a content creator, you need to be aware there are some hacks that you need to do, or there's certain things you need to do that will work out for you and just make your content creation better and easier.
Okay, well, from your opinion, what was your experience here giving the workshop? We had the discussion, we had speakers on finance, we had Mary, the psychologist, who was the host. Just talk to me about your experience out of today's event.
I loved it. I love the turnout, and I love that the feedback that I've gotten from people is that they loved it and they have learned a lot, and they are willing to come for such forums because they feel like it has been impactful to them. And yes, I even met somebody who was like, I would pay 10,000 for this because it has been so nice. I've learned a lot. This is not something that you just get anywhere. So I just love feedback, and I love that the feedback has been nice and that people actually listened and participated. And the fact that the forum also had different people, different content creators, and also a finance person, just to remind people that, you know what, as much as you're making the money, you need to be accountable, you need to make sure you're saving, and you need to make sure that you are financially stable.
Okay, well, can we have more of these sessions? Or better, can we have an event that just celebrates, content creators out here? Like have like a content creators gala or something that allows all these content creators just come together, network, create something, probably just celebrate each other. But what is the hope for more workshops in this industry, and what does that impact when it comes to the future?
Again, I say more workshops, more learning opportunities. You know more things, you meet different people, you connect more, you socialize more. Are there gonna be more? I hope so. Maybe the CEO of Zynergy Point could tell us. But yeah, I'm sure there's gonna be more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Definitely. Well, the last question basically, what are you working on right now? Something you haven't signed a freaking NDA to. Thank you.
I have not signed an NDA to anything. However, I work in silence. I let the success make noise for me.
Girl, I have seen you shooting a film. Could you at least tell me about that one?
Oh, that one, actually, I shot it like a month ago. It's now out. You'll only see something from me if it's done. You never see something if I'm still working on it.
Why?
Yeah, I just believe in working in silence. Yeah.
Okay.
There's some peace that comes with it, rather than announcing to the world, I'm doing this, I'm doing this. Sometimes I feel like it's just an individual thing. I just don't like it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is this film? When is it out, or where can we find it personally?
When it's gonna be out, I'm not so sure, but I think it's gonna be on Maisha Magic and Showmax. It's called The Odd Pair, and I'm actually the main. So yeah.
Yeah, I saw with a very odd partner.
Yeah, it's called The Odd Pair, and it has been written, directed by Sabina Stedler, and also Jay Blessing is the DOP. It's such an amazing team. Yeah.